These strips provide an extra level of protection to keep your pouching system in place so you feel secure and confident. Before application, clean the skin to remove any adhesive residue or oils. Pat the skin dry. Use your hands to warm the strip to aid in adhesion. There are 2 pieces of backing paper. First, remove the larger piece and apply the strip to the skin, overlapping the edge of the base plate by at least ½ of an inch. Remove the remaining backing piece and smooth down for 30 seconds to allow the strip to adhere. Continue this process to apply the other strips to the remaining corners of the base plate. Please note, do not use ease strips if you are experiencing leaks, as it will only hold the pouch on longer.